Let's be honest, your dental lab is already digital. Scanners, CAD, modern workflow, but you are still outsourcing CoCr and Titanium parts? Then an important part of your profit, your margin and your production control is leaving your lab. With a CoCr desktop, you bring metal 3D printing back in-house. It's compact enough for small dental labs, robust enough for daily production and powerful for every lab who wants to get control over its metal workflow. At 2-1 Lab, we don't just deliver the machine, we provide you the whole workflow, from the file generation to the printed part. Many dental labs rely on 2-1 Lab systems every day. Efficient, reliable and proven in real lab production. The question is, why are you still outsourcing?